How to see who viewed a file on your Google Drive. So if you want to see who viewed a file in Google Drive, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your browser and then go with the Google Apps. And here you need to go with Drive. Once you've selected Drive, you will have all of this interface. Now you just need to simply go with a file, like go with the three dots, which will be on the top right of that file. Go with File Information. Under your file information, you will have Details. Click on it. This opens a detail pane on the right side of your screen. In that details pane, look for the Activity tab. You'll also see a Details tab with activities where the timeline of interactions lives. Click Activity to reveal a chronological list of what happened with the file. Now, review the list of actions. You'll typically see events such as views, edit, comment, and sometimes sharing changes. Each entry shows who performed the action, if that information is available to you, along with the timestamp. If you're viewing a Google document, sheet, or slide, you may notice especially clear entries for comments and edits, while other file types shows views and access events. And this speed is ordered by time. So the most recent interactions appear at the top. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the
Thanks for watching.